Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to make black beans using Instant Pot in about 30 minutes. All you need is dry black beans as well as water, some broth, as well as a pinch of sugar. Now, this is much more convenient and makes a lot more than a typical can of black beans for the same weight. So I'm using 1 cup of black beans to 2 cups of water and 1 cup of broth and about a pinch of sugar. So I'm gonna go ahead and rinse out my black beans. Note I don't have to soak them, and because this is a pressure cooker, the Instant Pot will actually cook these things in about 30 minutes, and there's no need to wait to soak these beans. I added 2 cups of water and 1 cup of broth. Go put about a teaspoon of salt, and go ahead and hit that bean button. It takes about 30 minutes. It's got pressurized. It takes about 9 minutes to preset, and then the 30 minutes kind of goes on, and it's pretty cool. And in about 30 minutes, it's done. It's perfectly made black beans. And in fact, you can actually cook other beans like this the same way. And it's so convenient, and you could make this with anything else with it. So pretty awesome, super soft and tender. I think you could probably add more time if you want it even more softer and tender, but basically 1 cup makes about 2.5 cups of beans.